How to make money on TikTok using AI. Hey, welcome back to the algorithm effect. If you've been scrolling through TikTok lately wondering, how are people making serious money from this app? Today's your answer. But we're not talking about just any TikTok hustle. This video is about using AI tools to work smarter, not harder, and grow fast. So if you want to make money without dancing or going viral overnight, grab your notepad, because this video is packed with proven strategies, examples, and tools. Let's get started. Before we dive into the AI side, you need to know how money actually flows on TikTok. There are 5 main ways to make money on TikTok. 1. Creator Fund. TikTok pays based on video views, but it's peanuts unless you go viral daily. 2. Brand Sponsorships. Companies pay you to promote their products. 3. Affiliate Marketing. Earn commissions by linking to products. 4. Selling products or services. Physical or digital products, courses, coaching, etc. 5. TikTok. Live gifts. Fans send you coins that convert to real money. But here's the truth. None of these will work well without content. And that's where AI comes in. AI is a game changer for TikTok creators. Let's break down how to use it for content creation. 1. Scriptwriting with ChatGPT. Use prompts like, write me a 15-second TikTok script on how to grow your side hustle in 2025. You can get storylines, hooks, and even jokes tailored for your niche. 2. AI video editors like CapCut and InVideo. AI templates let you drop in clips and automatically generate viral-style videos with transitions, subtitles, and music. 3. Voiceovers with ElevenLabs or Descript. Don't want to show your face or use your voice? Generate clean, professional voiceovers using AI voices. 4. AI avatars like Synthesia or DID. Create talking avatar videos that mimic your scripts. Great for faceless accounts. 5. Hook and headline generators. Tools like Jasper or Copy.ai help you generate punchy captions and intros that stop the scroll. Let's look at niches where AI helps you grow fast and earn big. 1. AI Tools Review Channel. Showcase tools like Midjourney, ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, etc. Use affiliate links to earn commissions. 2. Side Hustle Tips, AI plus business. Use ChatGPT to script daily side hustle tips. Monetize with digital product links. 3. Book or course summaries. Use AI to summarize trending books or courses. Affiliate link the books or drive traffic to your own course. 4. Faceless motivation or podcast clips. Pull clips from AI-generated podcasts or motivational talks. Add subtitles and viral music. 5. Tutorials with AI explanations. Use AI to simplify complex topics like finance, fitness, or tech, and turn them into snackable tips. Monetizing your content with AI. Once you've got attention, here's how to turn views into dollars. 1. AI product creation. Use ChatGPT or Notion AI to create digital products. eBooks, Notion templates, checklists, online courses. Sell them via Gumroad or Etsy. 2. Smart affiliate marketing. Use AI to generate product review scripts. Promote tools, gadgets, or software on Amazon or SaaS platforms. 3. Brand collabs with AI pitches. Use tools like Copy.ai to write outreach emails for brand deals. Platforms like Collabster or TikTok, Creator Marketplace help you connect. 4. TikTok Shop integration. Use AI to review trending products and post daily content with product links. 5. Data analytics with AI. Use tools like Vidooly or TrendPop to track what's working. AI helps you adjust content strategy in real time. Growth is the name of the game. Let's talk about AI-powered strategies to blow up your account. 1. AI trend spotting. Use TrendPop, TikTok Creative Center, or Exploding Topics to find viral sounds and topics. 2. Auto-scheduling with Repurpose.io. Create once, then auto-post across TikTok, IG Reels, and YouTube Shorts. 3. Hashtag generators. AI tools like Rittatag or Ingrammer pick the best hashtags for max exposure. 4. Audience targeting with machine learning. AI analytics tools show you when to post and who's watching your content. 5. Content batching with ChatGPT plus editing AI. Write, record, and edit a week's worth of content in one day. Case studies. Let's look at real examples of people using AI to grow and monetize on TikTok. The A Tool Guy grows by posting daily AI tool reviews, monetizes via affiliate links. Faceless Wealth uses AI to write finance content and generate voiceovers, makes money through course sales. Mind Motivator AI generated motivational reels, monetizes through YouTube crossover and digital journals. What do they all have in common? They use AI to remove friction and they stay consistent. Conclusion and action plan. Here's your step-by-step action plan. 1. Pick a niche. Choose something AI can simplify. 2. Use ChatGPT to write 7 scripts. 3. Use CapCut or InVideo to edit them with AI templates. 4. Post daily and track performance. 5. Monetize with links, products, and collabs. You don't need fancy gear. You don't need a huge following. You just need the right tools, a plan, and consistency. If this video gave you ideas, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and comment AI Rich if you're ready to start your TikTok business. And don't forget to check the video description. We've listed all the tools we mentioned so you can get started today.